Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? I hope you are all fine. So I made the last video on face restoration using an online AI tool. Its name was Gfpgan, but now when you try to access that link, a pop-up appears saying set up billing to run this model or tool. This means that you won't get free access anymore. You need to configure it with your debit card and pay monthly. So after that you can use it. Now let's move on to another tool. It's similar, or you can say it's better. Actually, it's your decision. According to my experience, all these tools are almost the same with a 90-20 difference, and they are working well. Let me tell you how this tool work, and you can find the link in the description. You can access it from there. Now here we are. Now let's move here. So the interface of this website is just like
so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. Just looking like a wow.
So first click on this and run anyways. Okay, once it is done, now scroll down and you need to upload your image, and there's one way. The first thing, you need to click here to start this cell. Once it is started, now you can upload your image while this. Now actually these are just for demos. You can do more better with your images. Now I'm just showing you a demo. First we will upload this one. Now it's uploading, and here you can see the percentage. Once it is done, now scroll down a bit. The cell is completed, as you can see over here. Now just leave this process, and you can just go here on the interference. Start this one. And here it is done. Once again, this cell is finished. Now you need to do here visualize, step 4. After that you can see the result. Input that was before, and this one is after one. Now you can download these images, but not from here. Like, this method is not perfect for this because it's a combination. So the best thing is scroll down more and you will see here the download result, right? Once you start this cell, it will provide you the file. Now as you can see, it downloading the download.zip file. You need to save it somewhere on your desktop. Once you click on save, just extract it in the same folder, and here is the result. Crop faces, restored images. Here is the restored image, right? And if go back, that's the crop face. And if we go more back, you will see the original crop face, and in the CMP you will see the combination, like before and after. So that's all about this tool, guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.